You can only make them obsessed with you by being obsessed with yourself. I mean, why would somebody be obsessed with you if you are just an ordinary person? People become obsessed with other people is because they see themselves in those people. They see their confident version in you. They see the beauty that they don't admire in themselves in those people. We need to know that we as a human are naturally very attractive. We are constantly attracting energies from other people. We are attracting energies from other people unconsciously. But when you turn that unconsciousness to consciousness, that's when you become attractive. The people that are very attractive and confident, they are very much conscious about their actions. They are very much in control of their actions. They are so present in themselves. There is always calmness and gentleness in their actions. But in order to get that calmness, you have to fight the chaos by knowing who you are. And I know it sounds cliche, but it is what it is. And when you are not willing to accept your flaws, you start hiding it. You create another version of yourself that seems perfect on the surface level. But the minute your flaws start showing up, your confidence will go from 100 to 0 real quick. And the goal is not to look confident or be magnetic. The goal is to feel good in yourself. Because when you feel good, when you glow from inside out, people can sense that. People can feel that. People who don't care about others are the most attractive ones. Like, they don't enter in a room by being like, who's gonna like me? They enter in a room by being themselves. They enter in a room is because they know that they deserve to be entered in a room. So every time when you enter in a room and you're being like, do they like me? Ask yourself, do you like them? And do you like the person that is entering that room? And if not, then stop there and ask yourself what kind of person you want to be. And why do you think that it is important being liked by others? You could be the most beautiful person in the room, but if you don't see yourself that way, you would be plain. If you don't see yourself that way, you are not taking care of yourself mentally and physically, you are not dressing up properly, you are not eating properly, you are not sleeping properly, that means you think that you are not worth investing in. So if you are not willing to invest time and efforts in yourself, how can you expect that from others? Nobody wants to be around boring people. Knowledge is the most attractive thing that you can have. Nobody wants to be around people who just sit on their couch and watch Netflix 24/7 and scroll reels. I mean, ambitious people are the most attractive one. Have some purpose in your life. What is something that drive you to get up from your bed? What is something that drive you to do better in your life? When you are happy, you just grow different. And you might have noticed that whenever you come out of toxic environment that makes you look dull. So look around and cut off the toxicity in your life. That could be someone who is your best friend. That could be things that you are scrolling on the internet. Or maybe it's the food that you are eating. Fall in love with yourself. Fall in love with your life. And if you do not have that life, then create one. Because we all deserve to feel happy. We all deserve to live a life that stems from positivity and happiness.